Alright, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm about to show you how to 5x and 10x and even 20x your crypto and even your money on Betfury, and you can also earn passive income here with their staking here on Betfury. See, we came here with just 8,000 BitTorrent and now we have 11,000 BitTorrent. Let's see how much 11,000 BitTorrent is worth, and let's see. 11,000. Okay, 11,000 is worth $50. So to just illustrate this, I'm just going to use this account here that I have to just demonstrate this. But first of all, you see I don't have enough crypto. There's several cryptocurrencies here that are supported on Betfury. If you have any of these cryptocurrencies, you can actually just transfer them down here to Betfury, 5x them, 10x them, 20x them here on Betfury. I'm going to show you the strategy on how to actually do that. So one of the cheapest crypto you could use to trade or even stake or even bet here on Betfury, it's BTT. If you check BTT here on pancake swaps, you see here if I buy just $20 worth of BTT, and I would get around 4,300 BTT. You get it? So I need to buy I would need to buy some crypto here on Binance. So I'm going to go to Binance and buy some crypto here and actually swap it to BTT and transfer it down here to Betfury. I'm actually on Binance P2P right now. You can see here I came here. When I'll drop a link below so you could actually click the link to any of the platforms here, either to use Binance and Betfury, or actually buy your crypto here with Binance. I actually use Binance majorly to buy my crypto, and this is one of the biggest wallets here out there in the market. You can get credit cards with this. You can save your crypto and actually earn interest. You can see how much interest you get to earn. Instead of just having your crypto lie on your wallet without earning your dividends, you can actually use the Nexo wallet to save your crypto. Because I'm verified, you can see I can run transactions of I can save and actually do transactions of over $500,000 in a day, and you can actually get the Nexo credit card here, so and actually save also your crypto and earn dividends for saving your crypto. This is one of the biggest wallets out there in the market. You can actually have a dollar, euro and pounds account here on Nexo. That is so amazing. So let's just jump in. Let's just continue with what we're doing right now. So I'm just trying to buy crypto, and now they're pulling up some sellers or advertisers here for me. You can see their rates, and this guy sells around this to this, and you can see here selling for 530 naira. I'm in Nigeria, so if you're in your country and using P2P, it might show you a different currency here based on this. So I actually selected this, and payment method, you can select the payment method that is more preferable for you. But for me, my country, peer-to-peer, I prefer doing bank transfer, so that's why I will pick advertisers that do bank transfer. So once I do that, you can see here this guy is a verified seller. He has over. One thing you also check when you pull up all this and use all this filter is you have to check their completion rate and the orders they've made. Okay, this guy has made over 1,000 orders and he has a 99.07 completion rate, and this might be somebody you might want to work with, and it sells between 5,000 to like 91,000 worth of crypto. And you can see here, and I can actually click the buy button here if I want to buy with this guy, and once I click buy, they're going to tell me to actually insert the amount I want to buy. I'll still put 20k. Yeah, 20k, and it's telling me I'm going to get $37 worth of crypto. All right, so that should be fine for me. I'm supposed to send 20k, so I'm just going to send 20,000 now. You don't need to put anything in the remark. I have successfully sent 20k to Stella Frederick, and right now, once you've successfully sent it, you at this point you can actually click transfer and click your payment. So I just click confirm. So now that I've confirmed payment, the seller also has 15 minutes to confirm the payment I've made in his account and actually release my $37 worth of USDT. You can see here order has been marked complete. All right, so at this point here, if I check my wallet and I come to my P2P wallet, as you see, 37 USDT, 37.73 USDT in my wallet. You can see here I have 37.73 USDT in my P2P wallet. So for me to do any exchange here, I need to transfer this to my spot wallet. So right now you can see transfer here. I can just click transfer, and I'm transferring from P2P to my fiat and spot wallet, and I need to put the amount. I'm transferring everything that I got, and I'll just click confirm. I have actually transferred here, so I can come here to my fiat and spot wallet this time, and I should see my crypto in my fiat and spot wallet. Now you can see I'm in my fiat and spot wallet, and you can see I have my USDT here. So at this point here, I can actually convert my USDT to BTT, which is BitTorrent crypto. You can actually go to CoinGecko here and read more about the crypto right here. I think it should be somewhere around. Okay, so you can see a BitTorrent. You can see right now it's still very, very low, 0.004, and there's still potentials for these things to rise. So if you can go and 5x this thing on Betfury, it's really a big thing for you. You can save this in your you can exchange it for another currency and actually save it in your Nexo wallet, and actually still get dividends for saving it in your Nexo wallet. You could just transfer what you've earned to Nexo, although Nexo don't have the BTT cryptocurrency yet. I think so. The last time I checked, I don't think they have. If I check account, yes, here you can go through here and see they have Bitcoin, it's Nexo tokens, blah blah blah, Stellar, Tron, Cardano. They don't have BTT yet. I'm just gonna convert my crypto. I'm going to convert my crypto, my max USDT to let's say BTT. Let's search for BTT right here, so you can see here how it works. I've searched for BTT, so I'm doing max, and if I check the price conversion, it should tell me how much of BTT I would get for 37.7 USDT. So let's just give it a minute. So it's telling me I'm going to have like 8,000 BTT. That's amazing. I can just click refresh, and let's see if it's going to increase. Okay, so I can just click convert, and successfully now I have BTT in my wallet. So if I go and check my fiat and spot wallet, I should see BTT locking around somewhere. So let's click my fiat and spot wallet. You can see the conversion has gone through. Right now I have over 8,000 BTT. Right now all I need to here is to copy my contract address. Let me click BTT here, come back to Betfury. Once you've created your account on Betfury, if you don't already have an account with Betfury, there's a link below, so you could use the link to actually come here and create an account. This is where you're going to 5x your, it's a strategy, right? So right now you have to select the network. I've selected BTT. I have to select the network. They have several networks here. TRC network, we have the BSC network. So because I'm on Binance, I'm going to use the BSC network. It's going to be cheaper for me, and I'll just copy the Binance address. You can see here, this is the Binance address for my BTT. I copy this, I come over here to Binance, and I come here to withdraw, click withdraw, and I can just paste, select BTT, and come here and paste my address from Betfury, and I'm selecting everything, sending everything to Betfury for now, and I'll click withdraw just like that. Yes, continue. And I need to do my verification. Successfully done the transaction here. I've done the withdrawals to Betfury. I just need to wait for it to reflect here on Betfury. Just give it a while. It should reflect in a couple of minutes, and keep multiplying our crypto. So you can see here it has now reflected the 8k BTT I sent here. All right, so now I'm just going to go about 10xing and 20xing my BTT. So let me show you how that works. I will just come here since I have enough BTT, I just come here and click all games, dice game, click dice game. And once I'm on dice game here, you see here I'm going to use the 5x multiplier here. 5x, you can see here I'm going to stop here at 5x, 5.4445. you can see I have an 18% chance. Then I come here to where you see on loss, I put this to 30. That means if I make a loss, it's actually going to increase my stake amount by 30. So I come here, don't put your stake amount this high. First of all, before you start the game, first of all test this to see your wins coming in first of all. So I'm just going to test this bit with I'm going to test this with 1 BTT. So, and let's just test to see how the wins come in. So I'm just going to click. Once you come to this section here, my bets, you will see your bets. You see here your bets are here. So you can see it keeps increasing my bet amount. Each time I make a loss, increases my bet amount by 30. So let's just wait and see. Our win should start rolling in. Okay, so you saw a win. So let's see, let's come and track this. You can see here right now, because of this 5x here, we transferred 8,000. if you remember, 8,000. now I have 8,100. So basically that's how it works. So we're just going to keep playing, but because of this, I'm going to test this out again. At this point, if I want to actually increase this earnings, I will just put 10 here, and the higher the riskier. So let's play. So that's how the wins come in. You can see here from 8,000 we have 8,600 BTT now. Okay, so right now you see here we've made 1,000 BTT on top of the BTT we transferred here. So let's see how much is 1,000 BTT. It might not be much. Let's see. We can just come to PancakeSwap and let's see how much 1,000 BTT is worth here on PancakeSwap. 1,000 BTT. So you can see here we've made like $4 from playing this game for less than 5 minutes. We've made $4. Sometimes you can actually reduce this to 4.9 and increase your stake amount. It works that way. So but before I do that, I'm going to put this back to 1 and see if I get a lot of wins with that stake. Okay, so I'm getting a couple of wins. Okay, so let's try using 100 here. Very risky. I had to pause the video for a while, and this is also part of the strategy when you're playing on Betfury. Don't play on stretch, like play for a couple of minutes. When you make some wins, step out of Betfury, go do something else, come back after a couple of minutes and play. So at this point here, I'm going to try to change my settings now. So right now we'll just increase this from this, I'll put it 24. I know this is very risky, but I have 9,000 I have 9,000 BitTorrent. So once I put that, I will take this down again from 30%, because when I was playing here on 5 multiplier, yes, I increased it to 30% because the chances to win were very high, but now the chances are very low, so I can't keep increasing this by 30%. So I'm going to take it down to 10%. Then I think that should be it for now. Then I will just come here, I will reduce this thing to like 2. I'm just going to let it play for some minutes. Once I hit my wins, I'm going to take out my crypto and do some savings of it, and let's see how many X we could X this crypto. So now I'm just going to click start. So I'm just going to let it play for a while. Don't leave this thing playing for a long while, because you can actually wipe out your whole balance. It's quite very risky. Now we have 9,500. So you could also still risk it by reducing the multiplier again. Sometimes I just play with the settings. I just go to play with the settings. Sometimes you see I'm playing with roll over. Sometimes you could play with roll under and use the same multiplier. So I'm going to maybe take it to 5 this time again, and let's see how that plays out. 5, yes, 5.4 again, but this time I'm going to increase this so you can see how I play with my settings. And the good thing is, as I keep playing, I keep earning BFG tokens. All right, I'm earning BFG tokens, which is the native token on Betfury. And you can see here, as much as if you keep holding the BFG token, you still keep earning passive income. So that's the passive income part of this whole thing I'm talking about. So you can see here, as I play with my cryptocurrencies, I keep earning BFG tokens, and the BFG tokens I'm earning will give me passive income daily. You can see here, let me show you. Okay, right here, I'm not earning much for the day. I just have 19 BFG. But if I had let's say if I had 100,000 BFG, this is how much I'll be earning for all these cryptocurrencies. I'll be earning Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, BNB coin, Tron, and USDT. This amount every month. Like, I'll be earning this amount every month, guys. This is amazing. So imagine you had 1 million BFG tokens just on the platform here. You don't need to play games at all. It's just here on the platform. You can see how much you're making for having 1 million BFG. You're earning over, this is like every month, over $700 of just USDT, and over 4,000 TRX, and 0.01.6 BNB. This is amazing. And ETH, you're earning 0.07, and Bitcoin, you're earning 0.007 every month for just holding 1 million BFG. So it's my goal to actually come buy BFG and send BFG here to this platform and just leave it here and keep earning this passive income. Anytime I want to sell, I can just go to buy swap and sell my BFG tokens. Okay, so right now let's just increase this to 10,000. I just want to show you how you can actually 5x, 10x, 20x your crypto here. So let me just play with the settings and increase this thing to like 10k, and I should be fine for the day. And let's see how that goes. All right, so I'm going to increase this settings. I've increased this to 30. I'm going to increase this thing to like let's say 20, and I can make this 10, and let's play. All right, that was very risky. We could have lost the whole of our BitTorrent. All right, so but you see now we have 11,000 BitTorrent. So at this point I'm stopping the game, and don't be greedy, guys. And I can just take out this and go do something. So guys, we came here with just like 37 or 38, $37 thereabout, and now we have over, I think we've made a profit of around $12 already playing. So you can see this is how you can actually 5x, 10x your money, 30x, 50x your money here on Betfury playing game.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Breed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Breed School, or visit us at breedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.